So over here, you can see that I have a keyed out footage right here. So these are 3D watches right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to make sure that these objects' edges glow out. And in that case, what you can do is you can utilize alpha glow effect. So to do that, you need to go around under effects, and under the starlight section right here, you can see that alpha glow is in effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this onto this particular footage, then it detects out the edges and makes it glow, as you can see right here. You can go around and choose around the glow level, as you can see, and change around the brightness level of the glow as well, just like this. And this is the effect that you have right here. So if I were to go around, you can see that it glows around, right around the transparent edges. You can go around and choose around the start color as you like let's say for example, I can go around and make it more like blue, as you can see right here. And what I can also do is change around the end color right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and select green right here, so you can see that that is how it transitions forward right here. So you can utilize the end color over here as well, and it's a bit of a green right there. You can also fade out or not right here, just like this, and just make it a blob as well. So that is how you can utilize the alpha glow effect right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and utilize color emboss effect. And if I were to go around and drag this out, then you can see that there's a bit of an emboss. You can go around and change around the direction of the emboss right here, and you can see that the colors are leaking out over here. You can go around and change around the relief over here, just like this as well, and that changes around the color emboss effect. You can go around and change around the contrast of the color emboss over here, just like this as well, and blend it out with original as you like. And that is how you can work around with alpha glow and color emboss effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.